Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Los Cristianos. We're in a complex called Castle Harbour. It's actually one of the most popular holiday complexes in Los Cristianos. We're probably 10-minute walk away from the beach, just going down the hill, a 20-minute walk back up. There's plenty of shops and bars on the way up anyway, so don't worry about that. We'll be looking at a studio apartment with a recently refurbished bathroom as well. And in fact, there's a little idea that you could almost turn it into almost a one-bedroom apartment. Let's have a look around. So we come in through the main door here, and on the left-hand side, we've got the kitchen just here. And then on the right-hand side, we've got the bathroom, which has just been recently renovated, as I say. So we've got a loo, lovely walk-in shower there as well. They're nice tiles at the back as well. Lovely place. Big shower head up there. And a new vanity unit and taps there as well. So then, on the right hand side again, washing machine. That's a recently fitted boiler there as well. Probably just one, I think there might be 1 year old, maybe just about 2. Now, as you walk in, this is a wardrobe area here. Space there for 2 beds. And then we've got the lounge. TV room. Now everything that you see in here is going to be left anyway. And the idea could be, because this is the terrace out here, but what they've done is they've closed it in. Not these owners, the previous owners have closed it in. So potentially you could have this with the beds in here, and then put a sofa. There's a dining table here as well, so it's a big room. You can put the dining table up there. There's even talk maybe about putting some sort of wardrobe where the kitchen is there, and then putting the kitchen here because you've got all the water, the tubes and everything in the back there. You could even have an island just there as well. So that would make it, I mean, you wouldn't necessarily be able to sell it as a 1-bedroom, but crikey, that would be a really, really flexible 1-bedroom apartment. So that's our studio apartment in Castle Harbour in Los Cristianos. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.